L for love. Thank you. Get shot at! We have technology.
It didn't work.
Sniper, stay down!
There, Michael, no! Still hit! Thanks, buddy.
Not here? Got it? Go, get behind us, run. Bullet magnet, stay here, hold it. Go with them, guys.
Yeah, stay guarded.
Go with them. Town, go to town. We got the bomb. Now we're just holding down.
Okay, out. Go to town.
Hey.
I want in that building.
Eyes out for the plant site. Yeah. Hotel's friendly. Oh, we've got the entire town.
We have most of it, yeah. He's right behind this A-frame kind of thing. You can see the little black part of his gun, I think.
Tonnen. Kaltes Erz.
I don't know where the other team is.
Or CP that's still holding it. Their bomb plant site is JOC, the tower back there, right here.
Der Atem brennt, der Stahl ist heiß.
There he is. Bomb guy. Push up and help.
Why don't we? Yeah.
Keine Gnade, kein Gewicht. Wenn der Stahl das Schweigen bricht.
Feuer aus dem Schlund der Nacht. Feuer, bis der Himmel kracht. Stahl bis tief riss sich durch den Dreck. Nimmt dir den letzten Atem weg. Panzerherz. Panzerherz. Die Hitze brennt im dunklen Raum. Wir leben einen Fiebertraum. Ketten, Fett und Pulverdampf. Maschinen im endlosen Kampf. Der eiserne Koloss erwacht. Ein Jäger in der schwarzen Nacht.
Das Visier ist klar.
Visier ist klar.
Die Gefahr ist nah.
Gefahr ist nah.
Keine Gnade, kein Gewicht. Wenn der Stahl das Schweigen bricht.
Feuer aus dem Schlund der Nacht. Feuer, bis der Himmel kracht. Stahl bis tief riss sich durch den Dreck. Nimmt dir den letzten Atem weg. Panzerherz. Panzerherz.
Ziel erfasst, rohrfrei, das Ende kommt aus.
Previous matches back in the 90s. What a sensational performance.
Look at Okada. Aus dem Schlund der Nacht. Feuer, bis der Himmel kracht. Stahl bis tief riss sich durch den Dreck. Nimmt dir den letzten Atem weg.
You all right, bud? Shoot the guy behind him.
Aus dem Schlund der Nacht.
Yeah, is the guy behind you dead? Okay, sorry.
Riss sich durch den Dreck. Nimmt dir den letzten Atem weg.
You know, you could put somebody's eye out with that thing.
Meanwhile,
I'm just heading back. I gotta wipe my glasses.
I love the pain. Because the pain is the truth. The hurt is the truth. And realizing My hair is all gonna fall out. My teeth are gonna fall out. And I'm gonna be brought low.
Good timing, but not good timing.
You're gonna be like, that's okay.
I'm tired of fucking walking.
Let's do all the things that
Get up. I'm hit, thanks. Hit! That's it, yep, still it.
Mike, you good?
Pros before hoes. Pros before hoes.
Hey. Guys behind you. Who's that guy? There's a guy just like him now. There's another guy over there. Repeat that.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Don't know. Coming.
If you wanna get up, you need a little revive.
Down. Contact! Down. Contact, right side!
Time to hit the CP. I was walking around and then I spotted this bright blue sweater off in between the trees. I'm like, F that's a person. And then I just got lit up. Oh, apparently I fell downhill. Oh, you're down? I didn't even know you were there. Sorry. gosh, Mike, what a jerk. No. Okay. He is not in a good spot. Strange how I'm watching it go straight at him. Doesn't hit him. Yeah, I need medic. Okay.
He's pulling his cock out!
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing. What?
Good.
Hey. Come on, no. What the fuck is that? Look at all this damage.
No blind fire.